Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to optimize the SEO of your Softr app so your website ranks higher on Google without any coding. Whether you're building a portfolio, directory, or business site, these tips will help you get around fast. First, go to Softr editor and open the page settings for each page. Add a clear, keyword-rich page title. This is what shows up on Google search results. Then write a compelling meta description that summarizes the page content and include your main keywords. This will help improve your click-through rate. Next, structure your page content with headings. Use H1 for main titles and H2, or H3 for subheadings inside text blocks. This helps search engines understand your page and boosts SEO. Make sure to include keywords naturally in these headings in your content. Don't forget images. Add alternative text to all your images describing what they show. This improves accessibility and SEO. Also, customize your page URLs in Softr to be clean and keyword friendly instead of generic ones. And that's it. Those simple SEO optimizations can help your Softr app get more organic traffic over time. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like.